In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. The first one is when you have something on a layer and if you want to copy the entire thing, you can just go to the right over here and you want to click on your layer. You could also right click and you could do duplicate layer, which is going to automatically copy and paste onto a new layer. That's the first way to do it. And of course here, if I click on this move tool, I can move around, and as you can see, I have basically two layers, but of course I can see it on the same layer over here because it's a kind of transparent. Okay, that's the first way to do it. The second way to do it, to actually copy something, is also pretty much the same. So you want to right click on a layer, or you want to click on it, and you have the option to copy layer. And then from here, if I create a new layer, you can go and right click again and click on paste layer over here, and that's going to paste on the same thing over here, just like this. Okay, and those are the ways you can copy and paste between specific layers. But if you just want to copy and paste a specific portion over here of your creation, you can go and select this selection tool on the left. Now by default I have selected my magic wand, but you could use lasso, rectangle, ellipse, whatever. I'm going to use lasso right now. You want to draw over your selection you want to copy. I'm going to do it like this, for example, and then you want to press Ctrl and C on your keyboard, and as you can see, it says selection copied, and you can then just go and click deselect and press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, and now it's going to paste in just that specific portion of your image. Okay, you could also use any of the other tools, like for example rectangle, and like only use this portion, for example Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and there we go, it's going to paste things in as well. Okay, so that's also very possible, and yeah, that way you can basically keep copying and pasting whatever you want and whatever you want, just like this. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.